I'm Arlene, and today I am doing a science experiment, and we are doing a leak-proof bag experiment. We only need a short list of ingredients. 3 sharp pencils, or you can do more. I'm just doing 3. A plastic bag and some water. It's going to be 2/3 of cup of water, and food coloring. You can do an option. You can do food coloring, or you can just draw on the plastic bag, and a giant bowl. Let's start. So I'm gonna take my plastic bag and open it up, and then take my 2/3 of water and pour. Oh my god. Epic. Make sure that someone that's like a friend or a parent can hold the plastic bag, but if you can handle it, you can do it with your own. Alright, so again, I said optional. You can put food coloring or draw. I'm gonna do food coloring, 2 drops. Alright. And then seal your plastic bag. And then seal your plastic bag. Alright, so then mix your plastic bag if you put food coloring, and then make sure again it's sealed. And then take your sharp pencil and then put it in. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1. OMG! Oh my god, that's so cool! I put it right in the middle. That is epic! Alright, I know this is going to work for everyone, so I'm gonna again make it sealed so it doesn't break. Alright, and then I'm gonna put my second pencil. Ooh yeah! That's so cool! Now I am going to put this like that, so let's go. Okay. It worked! OMG, it didn't splash everywhere. That's cool. OMG, this is definitely gonna work for you. Do you know why it didn't overflow when I put the pencils inside the plastic bag? A lot of kids know the answer, but I'm just gonna say it. When you poke the pencils through the bag, the molecules spread apart and the seals themselves around the pencil. It's really cool. If you like the science experiments, you can try it at home too, but make sure you have very sharp pencils. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!